In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix earpiece low volume problem on most Samsung smartphone devices. You can also try this on different brands, and as long as you have the same problem or a similar problem with the earpiece. So guys, what happened with the time, your earpiece can go faulty for a number of reasons. The most common reason is dust and fabric debris. It does not matter where you work and where you keep your device. If you don't clean your earpiece every now and then, obviously you will end up with this problem. So today's video is basically about a three-part solution, a possible solution which you can apply at home. So first one is basically you can use a dry brush and try to rub it on top of the earpiece and see if this removes any debris or dust which is stuck on top of the earpiece and which is possibly blocking the volume exit. And as you can see that we have small exit points. If they are blocked for some reason, for example with the dust or debris, then you will have the same problem. The second thing is you can use a sharp needle, and as I have shown you before that we have a small exit holes on top of the earpiece, you can try to apply firm pressure by using the needle on each of them and try to clean it from here. Hopefully this will also sort your problem. We did this in the past and it was a success. The success rate is basically 85 to 90%. But if you have more dust and some grease or some liquid basically gathering up inside the earpiece speaker which has been there for some time, then possibly you have to do the third part. So you can apply firm pressure and hopefully this will sort your problem and your earpiece will be fine. As you can see, don't rub it on top of that, just try to go through the exits and try to make some way out on the other side, and don't apply too much pressure. So this will hopefully sort your problem, and after that you can come into the service menu and check if this problem is gone, and you can see the receiver volume. Hopefully this will sort your problem. If this does not fix your problem, then I will show you that the last and the final thing you can try, and hopefully this will work on your device. On my left side it's S9 Plus, where we did not apply this process, and on my right side is a Galaxy Note 9. As you can see on the screen, we have used a sharp object. For sharp object you can use a repair tool, a battery replacement tool, or you can use any other sharp object which is easily available. You can buy this kit from eBay for possibly £2 or £3 or dollars, or you can buy from Pound Store or any corner store, and then I can show you what to do with that. So make sure guys that your sharp object has a sharp edge on the top. Some people, they might use a razor blade as well, but be careful with that because that might end up with the damaged earpiece. So as you can see guys that we have applied this one and we have tried to make a hole through, and we have been successful with that. There is a light grill on top of the earpiece which if you apply firm pressure with the sharp object, that will cut through, and this will definitely sort your problem of low earpiece problem, and you will not go to a shop for a fix or a repair. You can do this only when you are not left with any other solution, and going to a shop is mandatory for you, and this will save you a lot of money guys, and I hope this will resolve your problem of having a faulty earpiece on your devices. So that was it for today's video guys. Thumbs up and share your comments in the comment section below if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I'll bring more videos to you. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.